Okay, so what we'll do on this video is just take a look at some of the accounting and financial information that you get provided as the Board of Duncastle. What happens is that every decision that you take is recorded in financial terms, and you can access that information via the desktop over here. So we're going to take a peek at some of the important screens that you can access by going to here to the financial status icon, and what this does, it throws up a bunch of financial folders, some of which you'll want to take a look at I guess fairly often if you're managing the business well, and sometimes you'll take a look at others just to see what the overall position is. Some really useful ones down here at the bottom. These actually give you some useful information about gate receipts, how many people are visiting home matches, how much revenue is coming into the business. You can get a good summary here of all the players bought and sold on transfers. And another really important one over here, let's take a look at this wage summary. This shows the biggest cost in the business, which is staff and player and manager wages going out of the business, what the weekly total is and what the total for the season is. And a cool feature of all of the financial pieces on the hot seat is that you can print any of this information, but even better, you can export it simply by clicking export and saving it as maybe an XLS file or CSV file. You can export all of that data into Excel or Word if you want to do a bit of analysis or do some reports. Don't forget that also Duncastle is a business, so you can access the financial accounting information of the business. So over here, profit and loss account, for example. What this does is show you the different categories of revenue and costs that are coming in and out of the business. And if you want a little bit more information about each of them, you can go into this details tab. So gate receipts are the most important source of revenue. There's the money there, and if you need to, you can go into some detail so that you can actually see which weeks and how many people attended based on the price and the marketing campaigns that you set. That's really useful. And another really important part of the finance folder is the bank statement. It's important to keep a close eye on the cash in the business, and what the bank statement does is give you a week by week summary of the ins and outs of the cash flows in and out of the bank statement, so you can see exactly where your money is coming from and where it's going to. So yeah, hot seat full of really good financial information. It's a great way of teaching the basics of accounting and finance, and for those who want to play the game really well, I think it's an important part of managing the business properly.